Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Lintem Outdoor Lantern Light. It's a pretty good product. They have an instruction manual, very detailed, so you can follow along in here, connect up your light with no trouble at all. Otherwise, stay tuned to this video and you'll learn more. It's really very simple. To get started, you need to turn the light over. There are a couple of screws here that you'll want to remove because this plate is what goes on the wall on your outlet box. So you take this off, then you are going to wire up. It's really easy connecting the black to black, the white to white, and the ground to ground. So hopefully what you have in your socket or your outlet box looks like this. If for some reason you have different colors, you can comment below. Otherwise you're going to need a tick tracer to find out which is the live wire. Sometimes you're going to see yellow, sometimes you'll see red. Usually red is hot. Other times you're going to see green or blue. So if that's what you see, test it for the live wire. Otherwise comment below and I'll see if I can help you out. In addition, check out this playlist up here. You're going to find more videos on the light fixtures and where hot wires go, if the power is going to your fixture or to your switch. So that will be helpful as well. So here we go. If this is what you see, this goes on your wall. You're going to have a couple of screws here that will go into your outlet box. And then you're going to connect the ground to this screw here. This screw is very, very tiny and the head is very small. So that is a dilemma. If you have an extra, I'd maybe switch it out. You could also wrap the ground wire around this frame here, but I really recommend putting it on the screw if possible. Then you're going to take this, put it on there as well. The only thing I don't like, look at that wire. It's all frayed up. It's just terrible wire. It's really, a lot of lights are like that now. They're all just cheaply made fixture wire, which is too bad, but it still works. So what I'm going to do here, because of the way that is and the screw is so small, take this and put it behind here. This is a little trick. And then get it up there and wrap it around like so. Really, you just need to make sure the ground is touching all of this. Like I said, a lot of people wrap it just around the plate itself, but if there's a screw there, it's always best to use the screw. Next thing is the black and the white. Now hopefully you've disconnected your power so you can touch all this, nothing is harmful, but if not, be very careful. Use a pliers that is insulated when you're connecting this, and then get your wire nuts around there. With this frayed wire, it also could be helpful to solder this connection so that it doesn't come apart, because a lot of times it might, especially with this type of wire. But use a good wire nut. Really get it twisted on there, and then before you close it all up, give it a good tug like that and make sure it is solid, because there's nothing worse than when you're trying to put the light back together and all of a sudden a wire comes off, and then you got to take it all back apart and put it back together, and it's really just frustrating. So connect it, there you go, good and solid. Then the next thing you're going to do is take the whole fixture and get it back together. So this would be again on the wall. So now you'd be on the side of it, put that screw in, and that's what's holding it up. So that's another thing, is this entire fixture is being held up by just a couple of little screws on the side here, which that one is gone. But to me, it seems like it could be a little bit more solid than that, but that's okay. It still works. It's wired up. Screw that in just like this. Again, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to put them in the description below. And also, you may wonder why I am wiring this up like this as a mock-up. Well, it is currently below zero outside, and anytime you have negative temperatures, being on a ladder, trying to wire up a light or any type of electrical is very difficult. can also be very frustrating. So that is why we're doing it as a mock-up here. And the creators of this product, they wanted the video done quickly. So here we go. We got that connected. That's all connected. Now the light should work. This would be on your wall. This would be coming out of your wall right here. And all of this stuff would be tucked back here, no problem. And this whole thing is on your wall just like that. So that is how to wire and connect the Lintem Lantern light. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or issues, please comment below. It's a very simple installation. It's a cool product. Works pretty well. Again, check out that unboxing video and also check out that playlist for other electrical videos. I hope you hit the like button on this video, hit that subscribe button below and the bell icon as well to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.